to the course on agriculture policy, formulation, components, process, implementation, and comparative analysis. The agriculture sector in India has undergone a number of changes after independence. Indian agriculture has faced several problems, and food shortage was a common phenomenon. A number of policy measures have been adopted to overcome problems and promote growth and development in the agriculture sector. It is important to have knowledge and concept and process of formulation to the formulate agriculture policy. In this course, you will learn the concept and objective of agriculture policy, instruments and components of agriculture policy, along with the process of policy formulation and ingredients required to formulate good agriculture policy. We will discuss the approaches and methods of policy implementation, monitoring and evaluation. A participatory approach is essential for making a policy success. You will learn the participatory approach from global experiences. Sometimes a policy implemented in a country could not get the desired outcome. This course explains the reason of policy failure and how to formulate a successful policy. Good governance is essential for making policy a success. This course helps you to understand the salient features, strengths and weaknesses of agriculture policy adopted in India. This course includes the discussion on the national agriculture policy, land, labor, water and other input use policy, marketing, price and trade policy, institutional support and investment policy in agriculture. The course also deals with the policies and programs for rural development in India and other developing countries. The course addresses the issues of equity and farm and non-farm linkages in rural development. The structural change in farm inputs and output over the period is also elaborated. The course discusses the community development and special agriculture production programs for rural poverty alleviation. The global experiences on the formulation and implementation of agriculture policy are helpful for making successful policy in the country. The course critically examines the agriculture policy of the developed and developing country. The course briefly explains various theories of development and issues related to globalization and agricultural trade. I am sure this course will provide you a thorough knowledge of agriculture policy aspects and build capabilities to be part of agriculture policy formulation and implementation in the country. Thank you.